So, greetings to everyone. Hearty thanks to Dr. Vedpal for this nice initiative and providing the opportunity to introduce. My name is Sanjeev Kumar, having 20 years professional experience in different food industry. Presently, I am working with IFF Danisco India Private Limited, which is situated in Sohna, Haryana, and leading QA/QC department there. My current CTC is in 7 digits. Pleased to share that I am an alumni of one of the best institute, Government Polytechnic Bandi Yadampur, Department Food Technology, year 2002 batch pass out. Me started my career with Himalayan Frozen Foods, Rajpura, Punjab State, as a trainee to shift in charge from 2002 to 2004. Himalayan Frozen Foods was a third party manufacturer of Hindustan Unilever products like jams, squash and ketchups with brand name Kisan. In HFF, I have completed couple of projects like validation of DSI system and vacuum pen technology. In 2004, I moved to Beverly Beverages Patiala as QC analyst and worked there till 2006. Beverly Beverages was a manufacturer of carbonated soft drinks like cola, mango, lemon, lychee and other flavors. In August 2006, I had a chance to join Danisco India Private Limited, a Denmark-based multinational company which deals in flavors for food and pharma industries. In 2007, Danisco sold flavor division globally to Firmenich and acquired Genencor, a US-based enzyme division. In 2008 and 9, we had two divisions in Sohna. One was Industrial Bioscience and other was Nutritional and Health. Nutritional Health deals with emulsifier and stabilizer blend. One of the product named Cremodan Sampurna was the king in ice cream industry. Genencor Industrial Bioscience deals with all type of enzymes like bakery enzymes and other industrial enzymes. After 5 years in 2012, a big US company called DuPont acquired Danisco globally, and after 8 years since 2020, International Flavor and Fragrance, which is called IFF, has acquired DuPont and merger is over right now. In nutshell, in last 20 years, I found great opportunity to work with cross functions and diversify environment with different peoples like Indians, Danish peoples and US peoples as well. I have finished lot of projects and new assignment with those guys. Along with my routine job, I did grew up my educational background like BTech, PG in food safety quality management. I have attended different trainings and seminar etc., which helped me in my career growth. Even nowadays also I have enrolled for a Lean Six Sigma Green Belt course, and so finally, to become a good food technologist, I would like to share couple of points with you guys. First of all, after completion of your course, don't stop yourself. Just move and move on. Set a target, get in touch with seniors, discuss with faculty members, add the knowledge from where you can get, like there are a lot of platforms like Google and social media. Update yourself with current scenario and requirement of food industry. Join professional training and seminars. Meet and visit peoples like food batch visited last time in Ahar. There are a lot of tools and agencies like FSSAI which can play a vital role for your career growth. For examples, a couple of exams which are conducted by FSSAI. There are a lot of opportunities in regulatory professional as well. Increase your knowledge in allergen as it's a new area in India as compared to ANJ. So guys, best of luck for your bright future. Stay on. Don't stop yourself. Whatever we are right now, just because of our faculty members and their guidance. One best quote of Mr. Ved I still remember: shoot for the moon, otherwise you will land among the stars. So gentlemen, you have to decide for yourself. You have to shoot for moon or you have to stay with stars. Have a great luck. Thank you. Bye bye.